This here is Kevin. He's just stocking up on some daily grit. They use the grit to help them digest the seeds because they have a high seed diet. It helps with their digestive system to be able to digest the seeds every day and just to stick with having that kind of food. It's kind of remarkable, really, how they must have discovered that. Because, I mean, these aren't things that people made them do. These are things that they just did in the wild, you know? And that people discovered that they did. I mean, some people would consider an animal eating, like, pavement grit and stuff like that to be kind of dumb, but without understanding as to why they do it. Completely moving the mat. He's eating aggressively now, I don't know why. Where are you going? You know there's nothing over there. The seeds over here though. I put different seeds in different bowls for them to justify having multiple bowls there, but I might start putting some vegetables in some of them. Although they haven't been eating the carrots and stuff that I've been preparing them. Seals do though. That's why it's important that they have grit. Because they will eat every seed that they come across. Like a little vacuum cleaner, look at him. Have a lovely day, everybody.